In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and view your archived conversations in ChatGPT, a handy feature if you want to revisit any past interactions you've had with the AI. Whether it's for recollecting useful information or simply a trip down memory lane, accessing your archived chats is quite straightforward once you know where to look. So, let's dive right into the instructions. First, open up your preferred web browser and go to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, type in ChatGPT in the search bar. This will help us locate the official website quickly and minimize the chance of ending up on a different site. After entering the search query, go ahead and press enter or click the search icon. On the search results page, look for the ChatGPT website link and give it a click. Usually, it should be one of the top options listed, ensuring you don't have to scroll too far. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll need to locate and click on your profile, which is situated on the lower left side of the page. Clicking on your profile will open a menu with various options related to your account. Next, from the list of options that appear, click on Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can modify different aspects of your ChatGPT experience. It's a helpful hub for managing how you interact with the platform and the data related to your activities on it. Once you're in the settings, you need to find and click on Data Controls. This section holds the key to managing your interaction data with ChatGPT, including the much-needed archived conversations. After clicking on Data Controls, you'll be presented with the chance to manage various data-related settings. Now, look for and select Manage, which allows you to access your data management options in detail. Here, you'll be able to find a comprehensive list of your conversation archives. This is where you can browse through the archives and view specific conversations you're interested in. Each entry generally includes details about the date and main topics of discussion, helping you navigate through them with ease. And that's it. By following these steps, you're able to access and view your archived conversations with ChatGPT efficiently. Having a quick way to revisit past discussions can be invaluable, especially if you're looking for information previously provided by the AI. Feel free to explore and utilize this feature whenever you need a refresher on your past interactions with the system. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide will enhance your experience with ChatGPT by making it simple to revisit your archived conversations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy chatting!